Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Thank you for coming along on my little adventures. This week's just another similar weekend of vlog type things, but only just a handful of days. And yes, that is my birthday balloon that is still floating, probably 2 weeks later. Got many more adventures I still have to edit for you, but I wanted to share these last couple days with you anyway, so let's go! Very chilly this morning. It's like 40s, 50s right now. The sun is just coming out. And there's construction right near me. Perfect timing to start recording, right? Some amazing people. Let me just tell you that right now.
What did you say?
I'm getting it on record saying that I work with some amazing people.
Woo! This is the amazing one!
These guys too. These guys are amazing.
JJ.
I hate who I work with. I hate him. I hate him.
No, he doesn't.
Take your hair down. Work with the hair.
On the shoot.
It's gotta be true like
I love this sunset right now. Sunset. With my peeps.
What sunset? I don't see no sunset.
The tall and the shorty.
Hello.
Good job today.
We did it.
Whoop whoop. Good job, team. Jeannie, good job. JJ, good job. The lone cookie on the floor is tempting to take, but I'm not going to take it.
What cookie?
No! Alright, we are done for the day. And super cold outside, so let's head on home. Good morning. Woke up with a bit of congestion and stuffy sinuses this morning. I was perfectly fine yesterday when I went to bed and everything else, and then all of a sudden this morning, poof. Anyways, yeah, hopefully that'll go away throughout the day, so we'll see. I did tweak my back a couple days ago, so I was taking that easy as well. Joys of growing older, right? Anyways, workout time. Time of year to file taxes. Fun times. colder by Southern California standards. Anyways. Finally got my call done. Having some internet issues, so I gotta go swap some stuff, and then yeah. Alright, it's gonna be a fun day. It's a perfect day for internet issues, especially when you're working from home. Turns out my router has been having issues, so I think it's on the brink of dying because it is super old. So I figured time to upgrade. Internet is back as it should be, hopefully. Things are rolling now. And now we eat. It's been a while since I made homemade pizza, but this is good. Good day at the Mission Inn. Now let's get some grub because I'm starving. 24-hour ramen shop? What? Alright, finally made it home. Not much traffic on the way back, so which is great. But a good day at the Mission Inn, and I will have the vlog for that one soon, so stay tuned. But aside from that, I'm gonna take the rest of the night and just relax. Gonna have the cupcakes tomorrow because I was pretty full from that bowl of ramen. It was delicious, just saying. Really good. Just had our delicious Swedish meatballs lunch. Now we're here to get a lamp. We're supposed to only get a lamp. Not sure we'll leave here with one thing. We'll see. Already got lost and went the wrong way. This way. Still walking. Still walking. Alright. Finally leaving IKEA. Remember when I said we're coming here for one thing? No. Alright friends, we'll call the vlog here. Thank you so much again for joining me these last few days and accompanying me on my day-to-day life. And of course, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up as it does help the channel. And subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come. Next week we'll be going on a pretty neat hike, so you do not want to miss out on that, as well as all my other adventures coming up. Thank you so much once again for all your support. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I will put the San Juan Capistrano trip here if you want to take a look at that to hold you over until next week. But until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.